Say hi.
Hi. Box. Box.
Oh.
Box.
Hey, look. Can you show Rosie where Rosie's nose is? Where's Rosie's eyes? Where's Rosie's hair? Hair. Yeah. Where's Rosie's mouth? Where's Rosie's teeth? Teeth? Tongue? Chin. Chin. Good. Where's Rosie's elbows? Where's Rosie's armpits?
Box.
Where's your armpits?
Box.
Where? Hey. Where's your tummy? Tummy. Good. Where's your shoulders?
Shoes.
Shoulders.
Shoes.
Where's your cheeks? Where's your ears? Where's your neck? Neck. Neck, 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 neck. Where's your...
Mugu.
Oh. Where's your hands? Show Rosie. There she is.
Dollars.
Show Rosie where your...
Dollars. 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 Dollars.
Are you telling Rosie about colors? Show Rosie your feet. Show her your feet. Say, look, Rosie.
Look.
You gotta talk to her. Talk to Rosie.
Look.
Where's your toes? Where's your hands? Where's your fingers? Where's your fingers? Where's your arms?
A book. Oh.
Okay, can you give Rosie a kiss? Give her a kiss, kiss. Mwah. Tell her bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Tell her I love you.
Bye.
Say, see ya.
See ya.